Hello students, I am your master, Mr.Shaikh.Mohammed.Zubair. Till now, we have completed 6 chapters in geography. That means we have completed the portion for a first semester examination. Now, we will begin with the second semester examination portion. For that, we will begin with chapter number 7, Human Settlements. In India, we can see a variety of settlement patterns given the variety of climatic factors, availability of water, slope of the land, and level of development. Nucleated settlements are found throughout the plateau region of Narmada Valley, paddy lands in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Vindhyan Plateau, and several other parts of India. On the other hand, dispersed settlements are found in tribal parts covering central part of India, eastern and southern Rajasthan, Himalayan slopes, and land with dissected and uneven topography. The earlier settlements in Brazil were formed by the settlers from Europe, mainly in the coastal areas. Now, the settlements have developed and are densely populated. The major reasons of development are as follows. Although the coastal climate is hot and humid, and flat land is limited due to rugged topography, the region has a good water supply and a large range of natural resources. Example, Sao Paulo. This is a picture of the city of Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo has extensive area under rich soil, which makes it ideal for growing coffee. It also has a large supply of natural minerals close by, such as iron ore, and it also has a steady energy supply. The southeastern area has a good transport system too. This makes the Sao Paulo area a nucleated settlement. Rural areas such as the Northeast Highlands suffer from extreme droughts, which make it difficult for practicing agriculture, and hence settlements are sparse here. Settlements become sparse as we move in towards the central part of Brazil. Given are the major reasons. Number 1, area is covered by thick, dense equatorial rainforest. 2, the climate here is unhealthy and unfit for settlement. 3, limitations on use and exploitation of natural resources. And 4, poor transport links in the region. Next, we will learn about the urbanization in India. The level of urbanization is measured in terms of percentage of urban population to total population. The level of urbanization in India in the year 2011 was 31.16%, which is quite low in comparison to developed countries. At the same time, the urban population is increasing. Expansion of the urban centers and emergence of new towns have played a significant role in the growth of urban population and urbanization in the country. Urbanization has been more in the southern part than in the northern part in India. Goa is the most urbanized state with 62% population living in urban areas. Delhi is more than 80% urban. In the state of Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala, urbanization is more. Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Rajasthan are some of the states with low levels of urbanization. Now let's learn the urbanization of Brazil. Brazil is one of the few developing countries which is highly urbanized. Brazil's substantial urban growth process is unique and one of the underlying factors contributing to its present-day rapid economic growth. Today, about 86% of Brazil's population lives in an urban area. Definition of urban is not very clear in Brazil. In Brazil, rapid urbanization happened mainly in the south and southeast, with Sao Paulo emerging as a major metropolitan and industrial area. Looking at this growth in few parts of the country, the government is promoting Go West policy, which will reduce pressure on few areas where population is concentrated and will reduce regional imbalance in the country. Urbanization has occurred more in the coastal states than the states in the interior of the country. States like Sao Paulo, Goiás, and Minas Gerais have more urban population than states in the north. As population is less in Amazon basin and Brazilian highlands, urbanization is also less. In this part, Manaus is a port on the confluence of the Negro and the Amazon. Urbanization has occurred here. Children, this is a short exercise which we expect you to do at home in your geography long notebooks in your own words. You can have a reference from other books, but please see that you have a textual language, which is very important. Please keep it ready before the school reopens. Once the school reopens, the respective subject teachers will take your books for corrections. I hope by the presentation you have understood the chapter easily. Thank you, children, and God bless.